All right, lift it up. Watch that cable. Clear the engine bay. Move the crates. Keep cutting, keep cutting. Keep it steady. Tighten those bolts. Move that piece here. Watch the sparks. Line it up, right there. Lock it down, bolts tight. Watch the sparks, almost done. Keep pushing it in. Watch the cables. Weld that support now. Almost got it. Careful with the glass. All right, let's get it. Up and over. Easy now. Watch the supports. I'll hold it steady from here. Keep it steady. Got it. Now pass me the screws. Watch the dust. Keep it steady. Drill that anchor point. Lower it slowly. Watch the sway. All right, got it. Secure the beam. The storm is intensifying. Move faster. Keep sealing those windows. No leaks. Supports tightened. Check the wing seam.